Hey guys, today let's talk about some hanging knee raises. So biggest thing about hanging knee raises is you want to get that spinal flexion. So really get that, you're flexing that spine, you're bringing your knees up, and think about bringing that pelvic bone to the end of the ribs here. So notice as I'm coming up, I'm not just using my hip flexor. Notice how straight my spine is there. This is all hip flexors. What you want to do is curve, get that spinal flexion, and bring those knees up, really using that bottom part of the core. So here, what you're going to be doing, start from this hanging position, coming up, and really flexing lower part of that core to come up, versus just bringing your knees up. Right here, all you're doing is just utilizing your hip flexors. So I hope that helps, guys. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free and leave them in the comments. Thank you. Have a great day.